I just want to also point out, we cannot invest so much money in improving our road network only for transporters to overload their trucks and destroy the roads in 3 to 5 years. We've seen new roads that are built, and once these trucks that are overloaded pass on them, within 3 to 5 years the road is finished. Recently, Burkina Faso have implemented a new weight regulation, and so your trailer must not be longer than a certain length, it must not be wider than a certain length. And do you know what is happening? Trucks load from Takrady and from Tema and overload. When they get to Burkina Faso border, they cannot enter because of the regulation the Burkinabes have introduced. So they bring 3 trucks from Burkina Faso and offload 1 truck into 3 trucks before they can enter Burkina Faso. There are trucks in this country that load 120 tons when the maximum load is supposed to be 50 tons. There is no road you can construct that will stand 20 tons per truck. And so I've told the roads minister, and it's going to be announced firmly in the budget, we'll consult the drivers union, the transporters. We must implement weight restrictions so that the roads that we build can last. And so next year we're going to introduce strict weight limitations so that these investments that we're making in our road sector would last for a lifetime. We are not going to waste taxpayers' money repairing these roads only for people who want to make as much money as possible to load 120 tons on a road and destroy that road within a short time. And so I'm just sending a signal. We're going to engage the stakeholders in the sector in order that we enforce the weight limits for our trucks so that they don't overload and destroy our roads.
Right, yamu akaba zibayenda so an page mezidu busunda isasi yakon kakra nda busunda otodo oyedunana 24th October 2025 odo gbaza asi papa da wa ma adetipe etumi na achien da ma sune ebe da anya yin wona si osan of betobero no sa ohun yanko adetipe ma na da oyanko panasi sa america cho life de ya ende ebi ya azemawa ayedanasi ebi ya azemawa ayekei ebi yazimo wa ayehune dey pokoro osomogbo ntima man de debiara hiaza nkotin asala akwen pokoro no debiara hiaza na ekono iwia na jazemza na no nahe. It's part of relationship, it's part of marriage. Hiaza wukuru waza anaza na bada na etumaje hiaza wo oye friend wa ayo friend na yin wo waza abada na aje iwia no so to work. That's the end of the game. And very bad oye subana onye kra man friends for nkozo de ofram kojo na jin ko se me yaka mi hiaza akobo yan kwa meje wo se ke wia na babu pebiatna no anon kire oye relationship a etumi wo anon kire odosoro kwa yin na etumi wo owo bushim owo asorum o bibia je mama je nse so de yen kire odon kire hin ho kapima be a obibiara bi fi asase do obibiara na nembe nemu obi ya azemo a ayekei obi ya azemo a ayedenase obi yazemo amo woni wonso sende particular na mfom osi za desenya ye bia me yoso ani ntima nama ugba na otwe na nketeketen ayaketa abo otwe na no me desenye je me fom bia osomnobo nti gba na wafa na ozina nti mentwen hiaza asana akoyanko mezereze o ma bi na abdala ndi atena for me na cha ma yesem bekra na ebo wazi na fie tumi na yezi na fie tumi ya hwe za automo alkodo yana mampanyin John Dramani Mahama ejina simpido o the same pinye to ma to go ache sem da ko pabno o ma zele fi the big picture agenda from Ogwaha odoko and the Manto Western region o ma zele fi otuno sisi on double road etumne ewie pay angasa the man senior oye AG oye Attorney General ose Ghana otuto so let's be patient na osi abutan na nkeka oye nesem nyina ontum no onboano the kitchen is hot for the president one and other ministry etumatuga minority and wotumoroka ahwan no yin the kitchen no tuma ya hot odam oya manpayin ye bohwe John Dramani Mahama here manpayin so ejina simpido no ababe simpiyin nti boko ekiti kwanofado no so wa afa na ma ye kompanyin for woto franka onye wa telephone onye wa atwenkomo here can no first lady na krondo adma words akodom ewa akonba na krondo ayabi she is the first leader currently from 1992 itumi hunde boto abakebem kebe otumorizimu if soja abana itumi ban you see the first lady working 31st December movement ozim papa besibrik amaya samedi okitem angesa besia ya santoa na krondo adma words ededa Ghana anti asamde akodom ewa akonba ama omanpayin John Dramani Mahama ehia akire Ghana abbo eyamanzie akire wiadene fa na hinara the Ghana azato hineyi pa nti nuso ebohwe na ya abon ho nkomo na odu bia no ridza asaw he first lady na so do finza ago nti na pi ne bia beto azbake nuso bobo nkomo eda yo sama baabi e ba opin pa ye saka no fian ebedelezi etuma akire ndezema na ya hye nkomo twinase yan komresi.
Now, I just want to also point out, we cannot invest so much money in improving our road network only for transporters to overload their trucks and destroy the roads in 3 to 5 years. We've seen new roads that are built, and once these trucks that are overloaded pass on them, within 3 to 5 years, the road is finished. Recently, Burkina Faso have implemented a new weight regulation. And so your trailer must not be longer than a certain length. It must not be wider than a certain length. And do you know what is happening? Trucks load from Takrady and from Tema and overload. When they get to Burkina Faso border, they cannot enter because of the regulation the Burkinabes have introduced. So they bring 3 trucks from Burkina Faso and offload 1 truck into 3 trucks before they can enter Burkina Faso. There are trucks in this country that load 120 tons when the maximum load is supposed to be 50 tons. There is no road you can construct that will stand 20 tons per truck. And so I've told the roads minister, and it's going to be announced firmly in the budget, we'll consult the drivers union, the transporters. We must implement weight restrictions so that the roads that we build can last. And so next year we're going to introduce strict weight limitations so that these investments that we're making in our road sector would last for a lifetime. We are not going to waste taxpayers' money repairing these roads only for people who want to make as much money as possible to load.
Right, that means I mean, I'm paying Obuda, Ottoman Abadi, Ottoman Doma, Ottoman Weshia, Abira, or church and sing. When the prayer between you for that, Ghana, yet to near for 8 and pay for. Now, Yoko, Oya Yoko Mobodo, you were Father Casford, and people with their communication team member of Fiha, Yellow Bonko, Lumian, and Mukando, or by Bedouin. Father March of Mahinoa.
Yeah, I know.
But you are poor,
Razina Dumara.
Right. I'm sure that is the danger.
NDC regional communication team member. Not MPP.
Oh, sorry. Okay, MPP.
Untumi MPP da.
No, MPP. Sorry, so the regional communication team member NDC. NDC. It's our call as somebody. NDC regional communication team member. It's a Yamawan Akwaba. No aba cancer. Father, young Chelsea na yehwe heno komobo ansama yeto yeba bem me etum na aboa. Yeto anamara pa obutum na ya hwere Ghana. Hen dumeza yetum yizi. Ana obutum no to anamara na efe etum na akwanyima. Oso de biara no ye chensem de za amane Ghana yetum ye no. Ana na obaye mboa me etum na aboa him. Yezi nkan ya hwe AG Attorney General. A chensem de Osre Ghana for we should be patient. If you want to know more and some nano. The master is further.
Ma Mendas in the chair sonko, chair production team.
Right.
Na Asha for Anape. Chef. Attorney General. This is Juma. And Juma is in the Bosha Magana Justice, Justice. Now, Ghana for social contract. You can't be beat your Ghana for. They catch on the BBS Bobo as a friend operation will cover all loot. Ora. So, was it too niche? Yansa, no calling a Bobwama Ghana Japezibiara, Sikabiara, Wakizin, Kofuku, maybe one in same Yaji as I'm a man Ghana. And see, no kwando no na otra da yetu hwana man the Ghana for so hwe the boy shade the show ye busy do na ansana anu agent Attorney General Kababa no na as part of a preparatory team president set up oral team we gather data from Ghanaians nti pebibe ginado da your prosecution we gather facts ni na wazamo. It was in the with your team equal prosecution. Now you feed the Orechel. Now you Ghana for swinging by Adrian. The after say 7 months, you some action because you hear in Sikano. Sikana workers in Kofuku maybe when some one tougher about $20.4 billion. Yes, Kakakraba. Ebanazina also Attorney General Kwan the ye case in anchors in Kofoba 10-20 kg in a court. Ye case in anchor in Pokra Nabians in Kawazina some area. Ye saw a court system bureaucracy and procedures in a would delay such important exercise. Then obeying here that you be take a second look at it. You see, so a man will be caged in a quarter. Until there, I mean, a citizen or another citizen are caged in a court. You or manage a person away from why you are here. It's no tradition judicial systems. What to na wabwa them able to assume ashada 1 month, 2 months, 3 weeks. Either you do to time, Obandama asam kono tum ochel or court ankasa oma henjezi nkra ofi asam no mu ewiyi no oman na yebre nkofukuma bi na wonyamfo so na oman no nti yenyi menye Ghana fo be yadwen yenya yemfa pressure to Attorney General the Orechel pede yehu action yehu the yensa case kanibi ayetin na also mbima be part payment wabe negotiation or the doubts or say NDC ni image say them coffee when you na do ye adwuma ne appointees some paradigm bim abaye payment for money say you feed there one for kwampapa do kezi one nsema bibi nsu Attorney General Dominic Anyini Kwan there oze honizin bogu boto baye nsenchofo nhiem na wa ma yehu da mon krofo a wote dam no sika dodo ahen na yekese wetum waje exam man Ghana say you can try there some people are making payment you are giving rooms for people to doubt the government and criticize the government. Who are those people? Yekese we go abani I mean behind the scenes na we chase kanu or one amo them sika otu egu eba accounting or dey nya yeboa na ye fight corruption or dey nya yeboa ye seek probity and accountability say him ya adwene dem nti me ntan kedo ya maban nti da me attorney general Babakan na me fi there za timemufo kan ankwankwa biara kan no ya no kwando pepepe ye here action ye here yin sika simple obi sika ba itself it's enough evidence there wa commit crime against the nation because obosuma akotua we ejuma ya ajubosuma akotua and then who there is a bro omano it is kind of ba o send there a fuck kwam egitum there after kwam bond na edi dem scantina zeba the simple this can ba kra no madwin no jisikan na stand for ipokono ko kejina court. I don't know Oboboa my Yenskana was shown Eden Yansaka. Debia press conferences. Corruption, yes, we need the media to help fight corruption. But the adjudication of these corrupt cases is not done in the media. It is in the courts. Into Uncle Court. Na often confronted in a court. Now when shas the police when and then the Manila in the jungle. What is that? We want to see action. Take the people to the court. In Pomona we go to Zikazamon. Me madjumin stand for Uncle Kejina court. I want to go there ampa in Zaman says ama hina ye teach you know or chinya me ya do my yazo in ya kwenje de yambosum oman. What was the Tumbisha answer? You there, and let the predecessor or to the man of money na embra yinizi, aban yinizi, or by a fesusu is ama hena yebe chuli, ama omana eden etu impun na enforso aka yina na corruption abra aze. Enough of the press conferences, enough of that. We don't need assurances. What we need is action. What we need for the Attorney General is action. ORA must be implemented to the latter. We need to fight ORA. We need to implement ORA. The facts are there. Evidences are there. So go to the court. Now, the court to cry a bit obstacles. Of course, previous administration, it take all the court hierarchy. The previous administration made appointments to all those courts. You neutral people. Definitely you get one or two and one affiliation, one political will belong to one or two political parties. But we think that you make appointment. Any that President Mahama sworn in some judges to the circuit court or so. So let's begin the fight at the court. Now you two miyamfa nkofo kurane ebienbi into eya na mbrepin will be said there na this dey where bo people there were corrupt na Professor Moses Ben nkofo hin kwa na yetum yes one gum what kadama am lecture na me feed there in then in sisaba you take mistakes is where Professor Moses John Mahama administration in terms of also making appointment to the court, right? We fail to do that. But with this new administration, because of the lessons are used, we are making appointment. So I don't see the fear of the Attorney General going to the court. Uncle court, non from Kejina court, Ghana who the empire fight corruption. But 2028 is at the corner. We need to put one or two people into jail. And the grassroots of NDC look forward there.
A person on your ready. So how can he go to court?
I'm not sure that he's working alone and he doesn't need 10 years to build a good docket. I don't think Attorney General.
But as sounds about 20 years longer in terms of number.
Very good. It is true. You need to build a good docket.
Yeah.
And on to the 8 months down the lane, on build is not be able to build even one effective docket.
But it's not working alone about.
There's a team. Yeah, that even makes his case worse because I'm working with a team.
What I'm saying is, he's attending for the program.
That is why we have state attorneys that he's working with. So, do we need more hands at the AG's office? Do we need to employ more people? And the president requests with the second leg of your question, the case is no delay as well. On the president, 2 judges for the damn judicial buying of time on boa or man na asam kuna we to assure that some technicalities. Amazing can Sir Amina our case at court or different from there or manism will be a big in a court. No so your or manis can need a while or there court no oboa ma yeje the or man Ghana. Into one so kwana offer that would to asam no this share 2 months, 3 months. Technicality, need them be also if you high court or Supreme Court. Yeah, best Supreme Court. When some of these cases was winning, they should throw the case away. Like attaching the case and the obu judging him or walk out of court. I mean, Minjin Dobwa. Your best Supreme Court would say here as some better when you when sit on it. No, when I want to ask some
right. Never Papa, 10 minutes. Since engineer Isaac Newton Dick, Ababa Sa, nephew, autumnal, Arbabam, Comedy, autumnal. You know what we're going on. Assalamu alaikum.
I had to.
I know
you power town.
Yeah. I contoso Ricky.
Yeah.
Okay. Paying na attorney general, I Ghana free now, and attorney general. Would you make it in generation, but also the Ghana free Sabata. Now, okay, you talk pressure with 2 months, not to buy on your docket. And it is as a bed or good or tomorrow. Until we tell me,
Mammy, start electoral regional album exhibition. Start.
Okay.
Let's party for especially Baumia supporters. Our to our baby. We chair party for you. No man, why should we chill? In the man said, and the mitzvah what's the one time our young shares in it. No better. Me better lynch and I do come to a chili there. You see, Yankopan offer number ball too. Or to a member. Now, Bible, there was Psalm 23. Also, Yamaba Tomo Pan or my town fool name. Remember, Echo Isaiah 4:16 or so. Also, no, Yama town fool. Isaiah 4:16 or so. 4 baby, I forgot baptism Isaiah. Also, there in baby Baba, my town fool, what you want in Pian. In Pian, I started working. I don't know my catch our sister station there. You're quite there. New appointees are lazy, and president is worried. No can't be there. President most of the time. Uncle, court walk on 1 pound. 1 pound. No, I could be shield. My own pay me better than paying the 1 year people for walk a court or 1 year in the moon. You did that.
So far as so, show me some or so.
Yes, someone on say jail.
And
okay, for you to conclude that jail one. So what can you do one say? That is why you weak in democracy. Omar, or you 50-50 now can you there? You want to call me and do an answer.
You can't teach him what to say.
Or there, you see me better pay no. Jomu.
That into internal worker.
You see,
he has a right to have a catch or
time. Only in jail. Okay. It is all for this when jail or not your court in Omar, President Man this time, and there was the MPP for court. Or do you for court 1 guy friend to court?
And the MPP for sure, the MPP for also.
One obey. One no wo be fi. One no wo be fi. Say me one wo ko wo gbelu one. When it comes to corruption, dream katasese kan and how many years I am me ba okay bia no ye me yaw. Do you know that they started in this fourth republic a court of competent jurisdiction in MPP in their confida Omalim we mo mutuma chewe mbere me we court mo onko in wo court judges ni ye me shele bam because no wala baka judge kwen aya no okay da sabe boni tsani ye hu bebe ezo ko o ma judge tire go o se da mo connection ya party fu di connection ni o ye ye mhyehyɛ no wo ka wo tiri bom no wo ka sika no so bo ano no wo ji no wo ka chai under them o ma wo da samo ba ti ke je court be fi o asabi ne ye wo no ko be fi Oseje was no kwem be fie emi was the McMenu at that time chairman what should have board that was no kwem be fie Oman yoko quarter yembampo now he talks about appointment you see higher appointment you see the only thing we have in this country is court and when as we see biala yedoko no wo asam me say ye be appointment appointees in United FC Abadi FC. You see the president in the welcoming room on KB. And the president is worried that you have been saying you were positioning it being too much to one. Since I was small woman there, I come between the Attorney General and that of OSP. One who they usually the fee. Na communicators KBC was a name every they change the also. You see, if you come in my cast match on 2024, Abana Mutwin, and I am telling them all who will be one on each one. In there was I think was 10 charges. I did Baba in 24. What provider was in the 15. Well, 419. Amembi 419 Attorney General Assembly wala dadao anhwe wechiru enwe anhwe wechi abene yidi Attorney General no with anhwe wechiru obi ba bewu odaso na woloko na yeloko 9 months eko 1 year Oma yeti na ma no suso we twa Oma message the man no suso we twa na enduro my what tell one you and you know what President Moraka mini adwunu galam say you fu go uto MPP galam say fun ewufun ma ye ka che IA ata say for time che wa gogo say no na 2028 and to dem bio say dem do say for time che o ma am no be sina what the game sika what do say we no go ina ye ko ban an hwe we chiru press. I'm happy today. My senior brother is confirming that Attorney General press conference Attorney General. It's a big news. Keda. Also there, Attorney General emerged to announce with this unnecessary press conference. Maybe they are briefing. Also, so that the attention could be answered better. Sine, wins in bro. I'm a concrete in a young road to ransom. To work a concrete, I road to ransom and make it be. We will be in me. Into my mobile, your base. I mean, I don't know your law, my pocket lawyer, some job from 1 year lawyers, no work a lawyer, some pocket lawyer, maybe a pocket lawyer, no work LLB, but I'm in Pumiki, I'm to manager. Atmasi, it's my mother task there. Also, your base opposition. In also your base in Babelim. In the act one. In the seminar, I'm the Ghana for what to Abama boom. Sekutu, se boom. And in whatever your baba. One way, want to say, when jail will be unlawfully, will claim, I won't see. Oh, simple man, I won't see. Yet the brand may be able to pay back to our days. Young Koso, Yaminti. Oman 2028 when I saw Bakacha Ghana from 2028 Utuja Wanala. Oman inti Mama Kachambela on trouble. No when you focus na ni campaign was start to show you so now all to zoom so how to zoom inti Omale mutire oside ayi yanji yeska ne sanjil one Oma da madro yi gano wa o ben waje bai papa yi yan tola wayi bi akaka se wodin wasu olutua ko bedufo se be olutua ska inti kete no tanche be atonjo jeli ko bedufo no ji yeska sumaye o di no lawyers is different as someone waje bai wo so better so ye atari
o ka Ghana o bisada acher nsam na acher
umala hwe chale you hwe ka he's just dancing around the music abadu wo ya ejize pepe so bibia anka 9 months keda fun di na chima we ongwai
3 days young.
What day is young? You mean 9 months in government as an executive president? It's a people there you baby ala.
It's part for document.
Well, obo kwa kamsi ala. Omar, we were coming to amembu so be we him. Galamsey so at Erastus news or daba. That why in essence what the confidence in president they will reduce anxiety. For I mean in my survey Nkofi one Nkofi
awaso da wakada survey na we na ya papa
ya papa da no meditum was 70 by August June no 75 since about 61 and one of the reasons simply you can answer me what's one of the reasons why a confidence in Mahama have reduced from 75 to 61 is that on chichi MP people only case it's on the president you been attorney general OSP Omar man how one in fanya the papa
right in the other that say wo yen ni an submission
Omar ma sam kubi mamincha Omar ma mo yi maso nunu dem pado wo kokwado dompo ase nti aye no ma batan ma bitira aye so won fa link man mo nhwe onhwe bi
ma say na mo ti ya fun aye mo
aya betra abiazi cha kunya ba bo hwe link
yo
digitalization
Minu is okay na onyeme ya adwende na indisi there's judicial corruption ya kan no because
maybe adwende
there's judicial corruption na from 20 Professor Moss na brodo the cases are who was the done court okwa na judges abo what two case na go okwa na dem state omano no lawyers no one njendi bia wo de call kejina court ana na numu yehu but oya disuanze zeman he ntina ye be ya yeze nzama kro anarugo akwenma ye hwede nya ankasa party mbanampo yeze pressure rugo hen attorney general na banded on hwene prosecution za yarian obeya ma amanyeku ndc no man Ghana na da ye midway free to mess find there ma ochina eba from December January attorney general says one cage no quarter one soon kede which hunting Oma say Minister of Works and Housing Oya Atacha and the MPP Abrodo $34.4 billion that is 189 trillion Ghana cedis to build affordable houses in October. Them contract and call parliamentary approval. Every document the monies were paid to this MPP chair or Germany are only building construct the only adan. Them cases what are bans the Ghana court in Yuma. Oh yeah, BB power there. Only 1 year. Only 2 years work quarter. Again, Atacha signs contract worth $961 million for the construction of houses without parliamentary approval in August 2018. This dumb corruption, the National Youth Authority brings $4 billion on sole source contract without approval from PPA to train 500 youth street light repairs. Them scan and a whole lot of motor abuba. Ni na fesumaza. Bibia did yes. We trace ikano. They say aban for about not of the dem case but then court hima. Although impose 1 year.
No.
Although it's even also 6 months. No. I think there's a record in the Ghana court. You know, such cases corruption against the state. You know, Ozipa, but then one. Neither was even 6 months. I think that we should have time bound for such criminal cases or upper court in there. The maximum be yes 1 year, yes a career. Okay. So we will put pressure on our own government and have so that the government will have a discussion with the new chief justice there. The corruptible cases are what's the one you know. In the ordinary court issue, so that 6 months yaka inka dam edubu ahini onda won for court no be news the man 3 years ababetwum. It's a way I want to time you should corrupt appointees, and I think we should have a paradigm shift.
No, so the way I go to time if the docket, if the formation, if the what they have is genuine, no, to one all the time. The attorney general is buying the time. No,
usually not that attorney general, but you see, the system can frustrate you. The system itself can frustrate you.
Now the system, your party is controlling the system. That
is what we are saying that let's have time bound for some cases.
Okay.
So, former appointees was a big in Brahim. One case on said that or travel beyond a year. Okay. So that 6 months we are because every look, government NPP government bought Daewoo buses valued at $75,000. Eco marketer not buses of value $75,000. Only no coach $175,000. Evidence all the why purchase and everything. But Obafa and Belkondo technicalities, and let us not forget that them judges are our point one coin various court. They are not angels. They vote. They belong to political parties. And we know that when they do in politics, judging us for MPP, not the MPP a big name. Oh, ma. Not you busy in there. Right. It's young brother 1 year, you're from Casamano. No, in that court. In all the more money, young for
waste of time.
It's a waste of time. We waste money as well.
Right, so
say I'm in a second, I'm second, and maybe
that's what we feel about.
Oh, massa, I
don't want to
Uncle, you see, okay, say what me friend, then as someone me say there will be contract, because on your contract to so on your body. Do you know Segleme case? Even the court, you court for 2-3 years, what by time? On the better task there, you court on your one winning judgment. Procedure is there. Where Segleme case, but you know I'm a lawyer, but make a man can want some because the time duration is my contract. Variations can happen. Your variations are add up cost. Your variations that reduce cost. But you know the corruption aspect allege, the word I will use is allege, that all contracts some money was paid to Segleme. Allege. In contract, there's nowhere in construction works. You bear contract say if a contract sum is 10,000. There's nowhere. Or do you trade them 10,000 you am a contractor? But in this case, Segleme, this 10,000 money was paid. You took me try 10%, 20% as retention money should be there. If it is road, it's 1 year. If it is structural work, it's supposed to be 6 months. 6 months and no defect. Some defects go no, you get for contractor. There are some defects you don't call contractor. Then you take the 20% of the 10,000 as retention money and you paid. But in Segleme instances, the whole contract sum was paid. But the Segleme contractor also made a case that during that time there have been a lot of variations. Into one of the acts there, me engineer me in the contract sum on the way training about it other jail. Other matter or your criminal issue or the way you see eligible obi yeria you have to prove. You don't just say it by your.
Also, I put their document together.
Yes, the document to only chan.
So I'm sorry.
I'm not only can want some only chan.
I'm not only can buy with jail. I'm also catch a witch hunting. That's the statement.
But if you don't know, so catch there in judgment to son. So obey an argument, obey what case.
Yeah.
Me, I don't believe in witch hunting, and now witch hunting that I feel on jealous. Right. So
thank you.
And tell me that, but means in the addition from would say in one court in your own wish. And can they your court? No. Sometimes it can happen. Sometimes it can happen. Sometimes it doesn't go that way. In the court, you prepare your mind. My character will your contract some yama sagame or don't go jailing. In your quarter, one arguing in 3 days or also.
And they're going to court. My positive side is Moko community. That is me.
It's wrong. It's a court. It's a case.
It's a case. Behind your door, your case.
A foolish case. You come out with foolish result.
Waka some feed or to netegu with regard to Sagreme House in there. The whole contract sum was paid at a go. That is not a fact. Konhobeya was a Pakono court. Dauda, right? One minister Dauda was engaged in a court.
Yes.
It happened a court there. Can you away then? The payment was staggered. Was staggered.
Your minister confirmed that the money was paid based on violations.
We have paid the issues, corrupt issues. I'm raising one rebut any of those corruption cases. Chrono Okodwa President one cannot Sagreme House in for 8 years. What can you court? What can one summer?
8 years.
What do you call court? 8 years. Now, only America the same part of Sagreme House. What do you call court? Even success years super or 4 years super. And you there. Yes, sir. The case, such cases, court's name. So 1 year was actually because Bandama or man some part of Sagreme contract says Sikafa Obinin Saza, naturally or minor wife.
Of course.
The man cases Ahua young there oil as you are Okodo or MPP Aberdono. You said the Cadan Yazil court near Omana Physica. It says a court or your court the judicial arm of government honorable to Waboma or man when in Nisika. It is a base to taking or being popular scarf and listen. Was a document BBH yes, or Tresicanum. Now so Zawado discaniano, you find out and so my fat and bra not a bra damn at 2 force in Casey on ye Japa. Godfrey Danwezi, Eben, and someone Mambeduga. Behind in Sumazi Gua, no one witness crazy. In Sumazi Gua, no one is judges, no compromise. I will confirm to judges, no compromise. The judge will compromise. No issues in what to shada. The court in a boyan. It's young with the court in our down. But to our create your aura. Pressure in this year mounted for a reason. I will be about the government popular. But we will put pressure. So we are going to power up the pressure. Yes, we want to change it. Yes, very good. It's more than a DP. Because yes, the pressure Attorney General Bano, Ubotuano, no, and a man to Shasa, more being back they are being waged. More being called on Kadankan Road, no 1 year, on MPs, one cut the road, no 1 year demonstration that being waged chanted.
All right. The kitchen is hot for President John Dramani Mahama. The kitchen is hot, but we will force him to pass it. Minority of the massive to go. Oh yeah, sabi. Me inform from me from true. Can them. And then Sisha, what's it? Kwana, young man paying for those shots, Sekasa, for the men. I blow opposition. No, Waba Tenasi. The day is young for him, but no, I wish him the zeal out of the castle. But this time to go to my sign. So Minority said we will push. Mention 5 minutes.
Yeah, sir, if Ghana today, www.GhanaToday.com. I think on, is it 14th January 2025, President Mahama make a statement there. The anti-LGBTQI bill was passed with during the 8th Parliament. Also, the campaign and finance and shares one by Embrano. Only 8th Parliament why expire. That's the position of President John Mahama. I'm not a lawyer. But then he would reintroduce the bill under government-sponsored what? Bill. Because we Omampeng Mahama stance on LGBTQI. Yenyim Amayoku NDC, the stance on LGBTQI. All your whole part there, Omampeng Nanado. 8th Parliament, Iembra, far them as in what the bill put to Nima. 1 finance and chassis. Name PP and Nanado committed constitutional error. And Amayoku what commit constitutional error today. Want to sit there? The kitchen is too hot for. Why did they not sign? Why did Nanado not sign the bill? Also, one sign Obi the Akokot. Obi the Akokot. Yekese in Pokunda one the Asanu Okotana. You Richard Sky inke ya Asanu in fee offended court. But Zambre uniform kind in Pandutua Parliament Bibayembra na President and executive and financial shares Parliament expired. It means that the bonus widen will expire. And thankfully, Sam George and one in Team Ford who is an MPP person, Asan Reye Zimbabwe Parliament there. Once someone yembra fofo. Za number there. You know in Chelsea. Sembra kwando no the member na were in 2024 on yembre bioma also no Omampeng na Adam finance and shasen. Then to other was shase for fra. The obaya just review 1 or 2 issues be na what the back one away yefim. Na Zayama ashafo outside Omampeng impenduto a don anti-LGBT bi bokwa koto Omampeng ne pondo no. Yaza ozenensa be shase na wa sign. Na dam inabaye mbra Ghana in Kremofuchi dam being hour Christians to being hour Obizi Professor Moss made his stance clear. John Adekunku made his stance clear. John Mahama made his stance clear. Obizi Okatina Ajazada, it is bound to happen. And Parambrasu Kadenima one financer and Shasi. The saints are in there or IMF sika, World Bank sika, so or signer, Damisika or Benti. But Ghana, I think we must protect our values, traditions, and culture. We need to. We are a sovereign nation, and we must protect our culture, values, and tradition. Don't you have the monies? We have the monies here. Abeni Bay for 8 months on capital market on Kobobosa. Abeni unko IMF, unko World Bank do or Kajibosa, right? But Omani recorda otutu. Oman. So implemented budget to answer or tomorrow. So definitely they have money. No, because there's prudent management, right? Efficiency in the system. You don't need to go for loans because Canada or Omanimun, Nana is a banyan by and you feed on say your quadra IMF. Inti on bend the Busebia, Jomamo per IMF inzi, on Baye Obesun Quande on financial in Shakata. But as NDC as a partner, we will even force President Mahama say Bruno Kadenima ordinance abadan ebashase because ya careful them being a base in the ubotu washuyanase right where ya wakafa comprehensive sexuality education APP the comprehensive sexuality education it depends on your curriculum there one church Ghana more formal basic school primary schools there or ye beina otum ose obeye besia or any human right there, or any human right. You see, if there are human rights, oh man, there are human wrongs also. Our culture is that we believe in polygamy, such as the Africans, the Benin boy besia but that's our culture. But the anu yabana, or wafuna was it Bible, but what's so or your banda Benin boy besia ebien. No mom Benin boy yanku Benineza. Beseba yanku besia or human rights. NDC, you understand in there? Your boy here the member. campaign the Nensa Shas. But a bazintin President Akufo the NPP. Bill Nikada in 2024 and one financial.
I'm not campaign catch a ball was
campaign. Campaign because the 8th parliament in Ewunu. The members right.
When you are campaigning, you said the 8th parliament in Ewunu.
No, I'm saying that so parliament pass a bill.
Yeah.
Now executive and or that the sessions no so what's about ratification. When you kind of say executive now was sent to the bill. Now parliament no kwewe ya be in baby we also is deemed null and void. Into other words, be so until yes, share President Akufo on financial instances. Zodi be saying that Ebenazinti na NPP. One for one answer and share them in Brana. I don't know what catch Ebenazinta.
Okay.
Ebenazinta.
Okay, it has seen for 5 minutes. I could 7 minutes. Engineer,
Uncle,
what's happening in town for us?
We should camera maybe 2024. 419 Obadada.
5 minutes.
Obadada. Same. Omar, in there, NDC manifesto, you might hold by a 4.
I come away.
Oh, man, can't submit your way. Or what the Canada is still for to a blue gobbing. No, what the new King James versions and no, was some more 120 promise. Omar. In 120 promise of John Dramani Mahama that before by the end of 120 Ghana LBTQRC then overpass.
I think I have their social contract. You also have it. Let's put it one by one. The 120 days social. No. You are telling us. The 120 days social contract. Which number? I have to know
the new also version of 120 promise now.
Look at this.
Computer to the TV. Now a host of the show return 120 promise. Look at a different one. Isn't it a new version? Omar, I'll find out him 120. Omar on campaign. Across this, Omar, me say you want your folk want to sign LGBTQ, want to die for Mark Bound.
Yeah, Nanado.
For Mark, baby.
Yeah, Nanado.
Omar, the condition will not even allow condition.
One of them might be some okay. What condition?
And there, you see, when Zakusha wa ba benim, what about benim so who obra na no, what Zakuki? Who told you that compulsory sexual education or a being one for being? Or him. You Subukaya, no organ. You to claim the madam you can check where in that that learning material no woman there one chair being a wonder. Amamuke Abenjo Joe Newton. Why did you withdraw it? You printed the books, didn't you? Call Nat and I will tell you. One for book come match watch a being no who in his own right sense in Ghana here. We do that, but you know, but somebody did. But you know, Napo did it. In all, we had a former president, only captain of Trunu, only Dampado. I hear people you show put there and one check the former president man. I bring it on channel. You don't know very well. Oma, the me panic the ho.
No, sir. When you was
when you was that's all way. Oma, in the president only Trunu, only Kwanda Kranda.
He is a friend to the president, not sleeping with him.
Have I said sleeping with him?
I'm telling you.
Yes, I know Kwanda Kranda. As to know when you're not, it's up to them to tell us. Na ija inje gemi pe we be kebia only Trunu bia yanho. Me mo oye mbenyi ni. O ma me na me yan I'm an engineer by profession. Asembia engineer makan obi on can obi accept like that. A seasoned lawyer. Mr. Lawyer Ukraine those days prempeh chambers Akufo-Addo and chambers no the yes akọ law school abayin. Francophone countries, this man has chambers in all the Francophone countries in Africa here. You think that on Katra BBC, now do you bring them long count them. No one miss no get you meba masan majatu. Okay, sure there. Those things are bound to happen. As well as I support him 100%. Only each will be with Shianzi. When Shianzi can he can't use his own discretion. Yes, I'll be praise before he invited or chap with me. Also for me, I don't accept true. For me. But Oben Brema or man down on man, I'm not to from a pet. O man, all to find a pet. School kona yakwa yo school kona yo school ko. Ibi no kinkre ya ko roman school kinkre yewi. I'm not to find a pet. In the name of Ghana kwensu embrem yenjintu. Right. O mate. Oye no so also there constitutional error. MPP for course I bet ya yo nyim ne party na abokosamo. Uma ayo kan acquire him. Party. Mature party wa cause constitutional error. Won po wa cause treason. Odo yokunkum one what ko mu odidi where Robbins. In 1979 constitution no be. Yo, it does. Say be ke kuredu na asam. Abente bi na radio TV do kamo fake kamo. Also come say yesterday you were men ke bia nature. The master mo so mo nja kan. Kan come say you ke do bia do bi
the former president, John Dramani Mahama.
Well, at my time, one so
5 minutes, please.
And the man is 7.
MCR, no, you're president, Gravy. Now, it's also.
So, remember, Poga, you take time on it. A man is 7, I'm 5 minutes. No, man is 7. I can't why is 7.
Interjection, yes,
I'm interjection.
Push agenda from Cape Coast to Oye Western Region, Akwan double road, Papa. Inter-President.
Now, I just want to also point out, we cannot invest so much money in improving our road network only for transporters to overload their trucks and destroy the roads in 3 to 5 years. We've seen new roads that are built, and once these trucks that are overloaded pass on them, within 3 to 5 years the road is finished. Recently, Burkina Faso have implemented a new weight regulation, and so your trailer must not be longer than a certain length, it must not be wider than a certain length. And do you know what is happening? Trucks load from Takrady and from Tema and overload. When they get to Burkina Faso border, they cannot enter because of the regulation the Burkinabes have introduced. So they bring 3 trucks from Burkina Faso and offload 1 truck into 3 trucks before they can enter Burkina Faso. There are trucks in this country that load 120 tons when the maximum load is supposed to be 50 tons. There is no road you can construct that will stand 20 tons
Right, you know, so Papa, there, Otuna, Arabu, Ghana, input, so to Mokaka, the Burkina Faso, who never do within of here, Quandon. My brain, I feel the baby sugar, Papa. And see, I can't worry yet fit to go with the call your top right now, Otuna, Oracle House. Engineer, 5 minutes, 37.
Omar, I've had chance with my background on certain platforms for us to do some small discussions on this so-called big push, and the funding is government of Ghana. My only concern and problem on the big push is that as an engineer, most of the time the funding is where the problem is coming from. And be GOG, it's like District Assembly project being funded by the GOG, Common Fund. Most of the time contractors are not interested in common fund project and prefer to go for this outside funding project. Danida mentioned them, Cowd and others. So for me, I think the program is an English program. I mean, no, I had the one, but Omar, you see, but I can't check for the governance. It's not all about development, because you quite sequeling and non quadra. If you acquire, you start you go ye say at sequeling fee prisons by Fian Quanta Hospital. You can say almost done. You call fee if Fian Quanta Hospital. You call roundabout done. If you interchange, yeah, you will tackle man,
I'm very concerned why you
Meba. Mr. Gudo, say you started under our time.
So you are talking about the previous government?
Yes, projects.
Okay.
It's the new problem and the big push here was that worrying. I think I'll start from Cape Oil. President Bakade contractors in Basa, but I'm told with my checks it's not contractors in Basa or one. And I'll sublet Binumama. So the main contractor is there
to give it some people on average.
No, I mean contractor no one. Until most of the time those subcontractors don't report to the client of Ghana or Ghana report to the main contractor. It will start from Cape Coast. Then we could do be Kisi or Kisi. Then that's lot 1. Then lot 2 will start from Kisi to I think Beposo, if I'm right. Lot 2. Yeah. Then lot 3 start from Beposo to the end in Takrady. That gets to the Western region. Until Omar, for me, many problem with my background. The only problem I foresaw, this is the time. It been arguing the project 1 year that. Project 1 year that. Into your construction. And I'm happy to the what's or your dual 2 year, 2 year. Then, now what it means now is that they are going to Waboko reserves, Yaka road reserves, from the existing road to a distance, toward as for future expansion. Now, from the lot 1 now start to Cape Coast to that of Kisi, a place that in the Elimina Junction, there's a filling station on the left hand side, Obakan. If care is not taken, Obaba Commercial Bank may pay. Anka law no filling station no holiday on Bessim. Iba one left hand side, the ECG junction no war day on Bobum. The question is that no when you there, they are in reserves. But it is not on government to tell you that you are in reserve. The district assembly is no one. You see, if project or war upon this side and this side, the Oman. So for me, the only thing that I'm pay there, funding in year ready. Now contract and over start, I think 24 months, 2 years. I'll make sure there we be. This is a government now says in there to me, Mama. Once I become the last time I went to Tamale, Mama, to my surprise, I've been in Tamale. That time, the 5th time, Tamale. I was shocked that this is not Tamale. If the interchange, if the man why you Akufado, or yeah, my case as some of my job to me there. This is not new in Ghana. Sayaban road construction, Abanbiaba, or anything. It is under Abade, Cape Coast to Takrady, dual carriage.
Right.
I don't have a problem. I think that I mean, your politics are joy oyin manko. Maka. It is a maka moya you accept it. Maka into Mali, you man, President Oyashu.
That's your view.
That's my view, and it will continue to be my view. You can't take it. Well, yes, because it's school at the Carlo Kwana, I am a bit. It's saying, right, 2020, they carry higher schools, that every school in Cape Coast, 6 units cash ball. Okay, what's with Rano? You concrete, what you win the
Casford 42, young for 5 minutes.
Yeah, my Mendas and my kind of Ghana. Upon even roads are all in major cities. 2 lanes, full of potholes. There is a Nkronka Kebab and Uncle Kaon. The whole country cannot connect into manufacturers, farmers will produce crowds in Zaman Padawaziba marketing center. No, na ayasam the military car say na a cost to such people. And roads in Yen or Buama as a different economic transformation is about Mangaro. Now, Aban in how to them. So, one chance in the policy in the Yabaya Ghana a construction site. We are turning Ghana into a construction site with a big push. Now, with this big push, if you hear manifesto, man. Page 30 of NDC manifesto.
Is it a King James version or the old?
Item 8. Also, the NDC will roll out a $10 billion big push policy for rapid infrastructure development. And so, yes, $10 billion. Yes, the first budget allocated some amount for this project, important project, to start. Now, what is it about? You better be a friend Triangular Road or Ghana. If you are dreaming, say, think you could come as a or there can them. And see, there were Accra to Kumasi. Maybe if Kumasi is about western region, if western is about central too. So a Triangular Road is a purposeful project, urban designer, to address the bad roads Ghana. And Ghana, as we speak today, has become a construction site. Baby, de ezi wo. Na sika ezebeye. Oma sikebo Ghana. God board for Sunday. Oma, yeah, God board in just about 6 months or so. 8 months. 8 months. Now, Ozi sika $8 billion. 8 what? $billion. Now Zabra Omanga in less than 1 year. Now this big pushing, yeah, we costed it. The Ghana being here 10 billion. So if in less than a year, Gold Board aban $8 billion then timelines are John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, is our contractors in there. This project will be in 2 years. Oma, scan 2 minutes. Scan now Obobwa for fast transport of good food items. Obama investors Abba a basic juma waga because the whole sector in here you waste time, you waste precious economic time. Is in the selfie you go kwankana Oma as you spend the whole day all because the roads in here then na roads all economic activities akwadono Ghana being for so revenue because lots of people who engage in economic activities economy numubobe na nkofu through taxes any sika no dey to omanumpo Zaya say a culture of maintenance, culture of what maintenance there say road ibewe and then a president reckon and when your neighboring countries in which the human was in Zamari Chum or Ghana Oma na load in Zamani chim no oboju okodu onu krom da before buying to work na we reduce load na chada yan highways you know you throw a call ibeju was about man Ghana into big pushing about baza funds are ready all your revenues there also the main revenue from the royalties mineral royalties and so yeah that be equal occasion but can be said that year of road part 1 part 2 part 3 no wahemfa say year of road part 1 part 2 part 3 part 4 yes why ya nkomani abet say here yet the big push about Brazil.
Right.
You have read part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Over here, why?
Okay.
Where is the kind Benjamin Chazi? Ajenkwanaba. Or Bejigana, anyway. No, you're voting to your big push on your car. Bridges Nazaya, school are done, market, airport, Nazaya. Big push is for infrastructure development. Infrastructure in the health sector, infrastructure in the education sector, the road sector, the transport sector. Oma, or your Jumeza, or also Salman, Nanodoman pays the Bazama. Yeah, can also be a match or gold boarding in less than 1 year. $8 billion. This project is achievable.
Thank you, Senior Casford, an engineer, the brother, and another people. Maybe you see 85 minutes. Engineer, you feel here in paying another dank of Echo Americans, whether you don't have passed for the president or president, Mr. President, you see, but Ghana did also here in the match. The former president, another dank of Afre, Nama, you couldn't pay for all pedal. Ujina no pin oye ebusia manu na efi otumo jujuma na so ehwa man pay na na dan kwa fado ayanka no man pay oba fa ben mu na the majo din kan ye here late president of Fred oye Chamorores of man pay for the current president of Fred mo Ghana yin je bi ban the awuya what wa so Ghana what wa fra awuya aba ma sisi odesi na bushim so oye na bakra mana so bi into word in the fee into Ayuwa Casa. It just is what my waka. Over for the pay for.
Oma spend 1 minute na yards in for actually time because them start at 50 until 1 minute. Oma, you see, I am a bit na your base. Most of the year reduce your base. Problem terms, I am a dam. You reduce your base. Kwame na year of road. Europe in Bribim President Akufo-Addo or a candidate. John Dramani Mama say akwani ya waye nti Akufo-Addo ba order or ka ma order to wu akwana waye na wala asemi kama wala wu akwana waye 8 almost 8 years ago and 9 years ago me ala say and Akufo-Addo ala say Omar yebo kroma na akwana was there Akufo-Addo adama waye akwani nyina aso ni kata se kwani bi anyo ama President Akufo-Addo be here bi but today big push here akwan Omar in the because us akwana 8 years we want for the lots of pray or tell me friend what we want kwani bi alempu into man you can ya am painful sabe aye no kan chen me da kwara utimu fu gom yeti ya am pain into yemi nyama yen odo yem osesa you reduce the your base Oman, if you have future, you must some job for you confirm.
Mental frame, my bad.
Confirm.
How much of them?
If you come,
the lament offer some job from over.
Oh, we know you some job for Zoom come. And on cheddar some training, one and the other man say me. Oman, you're quite bottle, you can't pay you with the enemy. No, paying out what's going to do that. Why the standard bearer of the party before? I bet President will claim her before. A friend Otuye for there. My yen abutelim. Yen who live guato na European. The most important thing is a candidate that will win this government. A government of confusion. A government who will be woofing baby oroko.
Which government?
The NDC government. I won't be woofing baby oroko. No priority, but not amongst ourselves. We must start to call say chain on ye suiting she. Some of you paying with young cover for no 214. Pay me you. Since I'm putting, could not do interview boy and last hour. My meeting will joy. Also party. Why you couldn't want to or shifting fee principles of probity and accountability, call corruption. And make your pocket fine. Pay me and you will be. Pay one away in this other two. Go send or you could change one from. But to us, paying coffee. And that's as I'm catch all. It will feel no paying now, ye. You see, more could do MPP. In your party, Western like this are happening though. You are bokusam to learn from. This is a party. In 1979, your history. A crutch for party, yama PMP Budrim. Busy President Rukrima. We've been in the wilderness for 30 years. Yaba Benin 2000. Omar, I am telling this MPP. Paying so that I'm a fast American. Today, I'll be okay. Miss Andy Small Banu, or Bondo could. Oh, maybe you know, my baby, or Bondo could. But who is managing that you couldn't?
Whilst I would
for when you're
managing the same thousand management.
For when you're selling this, is a paying one to
they have more leaders. They have more. They have. They have.
Mumbo Yajinja, Mumbo pay for what you do. Papa was out more. Hakmo side more. Ah, Bobo was the Bobo. Could you create that prequel? Bobo. Not boy, this is it. All for one to for one be. Look at our way now, Vanny Every. Wasn't it brutal? So we're into a man or 3 and 4 or 2 aspirant for. Aspirant when you want Chita from Casa. Then Dr. Baumia Yoko regional campaign meetings are the reb ye can then be that time. Yes, she be a whole back because are we hearing? Can in Japan, Dr. Kunil, a engineer, colleague engineer, Japan, and others. One year issue of this, we need them. Yourself, Dr. Bamud Baumia. Omar, your doctor, the yellow one, there, party for about 10 and equal round now. Yesterday, my trip to certain areas, they've accepted Dr. Baumia to lead this party 2028. Into man, said President Akufo-Addo to him for you already Baumia to him for that. So the issue of young Konkenzi Biatem, Baumia never as candidate, I can say no. Into Oman, or I think it's a step in the right direction, and it gives some of us hope that if we each are painful each. Yes, the young concept on a coconum, not by force. Maybe so, thank you to now, it be so cafa, Mamma, or tell the baby all of you know, well, is the vice president and tell me a simple. Right, I was your vice president, being your co AAK, I know it's the vice president of Ghana. Now, into now we have it. 1 hour. We have it. Right,
that's it. Senior.
Omar.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Them Amanyaku NPP. We hear Pible. Na master de Obia Obokon Koto Journeyman, they don't care MPP now, on by pair and from my party. Party in here, party on here criticism. Yabaka say it's one. Nemum yabaya a quenche na yabon pay exam because what to we wapan some pants maybe na because it lacks leadership. Penny be any party ma otum as one as in kabum is rubber because Alan Chamantin if you party no more. You should once the year record that only who there can Japan. So we're not wealthy party, all because there's no leadership in the party. You see, it was 2024 primaries. Donna Allen is the few party now. Going forward, what per Korea, less than 24 hours. Now
after the meeting,
88 minus 1 minority was 67%. One open we decrease support is Zama Baumia. Memo support there. Oye there we decrease support is Zama Baumia. But I saying that them open declaration as the unit in Baba Nanado all call for now. Of course. But there are 5 no whopper. Now 88 minus 1 minority 87% of them would declare 67% of them would declare support to Zema Mahmoud Baumia. I'm supporting now. Me feel the warrior primaries, you know. Now you bring afafrete chapter 2, 3, 4.
So it's wrong to declare support.
It is not. It's not wrong. Or send them. In this declaration of support from our MPs, but then it was 100%.
Okay.
But this one, on the in parliament, what MPP for? One way, naturally, we are not so bender Kennedy. Let's know. You see, if you want to have a meeting with other person in the party, it shouldn't be filled in another father. This is a president who failed and didn't do anything for Ghana.
That's a view.
I'm watching or bread or come in into say question and
on your own eye, on your own hearing, you are telling this platform the former president why sure again.
He failed. He failed. You see, I can sit here on top of my head, tell you 4 projects President Mahama did in the energy sector.
Mm-hmm. You remember?
I'm because look, John Mahama in the first Mahama, 2012-2016. I can mention a trouble gas, car ship, Ameri plant. In Kawape, so Akufo-Addo energy sector, you tout the achievement of Akufo-Addo in energy sector. Not the man is a third president. It is a don't want to ambamo. Na pepe neziko enyine bokwa katsan de mekaji menye kai meeting a Ghana for wake one in the UP on the people Dankwa Dombo tradition in the Buzia Funa Mpuntuju da wa komado no one ya basa wet one if you party no your united party we separate one way efi we friend Dombo and Dankwa onam basa ya Wayenti. It's a party to center working there. They don't seek the interest of MPP. They don't seek the interest of Ghana. It's Alan absolutely. Nanka Unidanka Alan to the 2 party. Nkobaye lesson at distresses that no but look, they misruled Ghana. They misgoverned Ghana. And we want us and look at all those people. These are people who misruled Ghana, who misgoverned Ghana, and Ghanaians will not accept them all.
Thank you.
Ghanaians will not accept them. You are on record so that you are apologizing, you did certain wrongs while in government. Those things now here, 2020 election, 2024, yes, in the kind of all free.
Thank you. Thank you, Thank you, Father. It has you used to tell me to pay that so I am not going to do a 2 and say MCA. Young Kosher, I am me answer him, Papa. We no one come be. I'm talking about Chairman Lawrence. Now, I'm was the candidate, but no come be wasn't a boy. We are in Korea Kudu. Eba, yeah, studio for 10 minutes.
He's a soft dictator. A dictator, but a soft dictator. Fair?
If I were, I wouldn't be as frustrated as I am.
But will people have a right to vote you out? And the party out?
I'm saying that we can vote people in and out. Personalities, okay? But my dear, what we need to do in this country is to establish a situation where even if it was the devil who should come and sit on top of us in Ghana, by virtue of certain procedures, certain practices, the devil cannot get away with doing whatever he wants. He would necessarily have to do what the people expect of him. I don't know if you appreciate what I'm talking about. So that Rawlings being here or out is not really important.
Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. Tell me. How you gonna do it if you really don't wanna dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall. I heard all the people saying, get down on it. Come on and get down on it. If you really want it, get down on it. You gotta feel it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Come on and get down on it. by standing on the wall. Get your back up, cause I heard all the people saying, get down on it, get down on it, get down on it, get down on it. When you're dancing, get down on it, get down on it.
Right, Jamin Sami na autumn na okoda bra ye ka him ma kaka na kodu. But pa na the back what to remember from Her Excellency. It's Cashford. 5 minutes. Epo ma block o drama so
Yama in Hunyako as ato NDC Henayom. Ghana Henayom. NDC na NDP Henayom. Na ochede akwentu da yen na Henayom. Akwentu oboto biara. Na ya mezo mayam 70. See ya da ya nampa bonde 70 years and above. Na yan mami obia when you're 76 years. Now in China, 3 weeks time will be in the birthday. Yami is an aqua. Yami is an IAB. I'm a Ebusia, a man Ghana. And for that, we pay need you. The Osada Yabian, why Osada Yakeno. I mean, she impacted people's life positively. As our first lady, she was the first lady 1979. Then from 1981 to 2000, also Ghana's first lady. Now, New Jumezina, na women empowerment. Me bonebra na tofa. Bibia oduboso mesafu wanasi mesafu esiye weziye yen dan mesafu echi. Women empowerment na bibia ordinary commando. Nti bwahwa as a first lady ne links na zo wono. Obo set up what we call cottage industry. Na obo mesafu na wana woye ngo kokko woye adjongo wana woye gari machines na ozroko ozubobo one set up one ankasa won njuma but time there obeye djuma won saboko wona na odibi etum ahwefie ahwemba na if you want to internal send the Ghana number utum ko politics woye politics woye mayosama na yana mami na obo damokwa no yeden ezoto a otai nukun Jerry John Lawrence Echi ma wozi juma sum oman Ghana. I mean, breaking the glass ceiling for women to enter into politics in this country. Actually, the financial support assistance women's, I mean, almost every region, 31st December daycare center, schools all over. A whole market, my share was the market bobaza. And then Kofugua was the Juma Dusha, one ember. Child education. Ye bibi so yan mami otu an na nkasa nkasa bɔhwɛ dɛ yan fa yan namba men fonko tinko school na mom
2 minutes
mesafo no so yezo bɔ school dɛ be senate na bia nye jazz nkoten brother wabo bia nkasa nkasa enka no yan de susa manka wasesa beyin na be set na beyin fima na wo ye be sana yakayakaze bra besen onyi benyina gbenyina ebusuafoje interstate succession law ma me hwe madam Mbembo Baza ende Ghana mesafo se ejepazeba one chefa wo ye beka yan ma me she was in life in abaye she was a politician and really had a positive impact. She's not infallible. Nipa bia no wonfo nipa biawa enfom enhu obi za hwa wo so woze awin ze be ya enti ne papa ya wa ya ne ze me anu na minyi ma meka de wa bo ankasa ankasa wa nhwen na huti na egusua mo oten ensa mo soso obiado anam no don kofo SCA enti de empere bobo ya memfa nekra insie na mbo bia ode oman yezoboa yekete nature ma ze nyamze she nakra no ye yembra yeboto to anyampia left right center. Those are the time. I mean, she was a politician. And she helped form NDC. The husband is the founder.
She helped form Change Ghana also.
My Mezi president, Metso party. She went ahead and formed her own political party. But because there's leadership in NDC, only that my men she means na to talk or NDC oju baby na state function dependable no. No you who the mom onye time for Kenya so. What's all come back na do I
need 5 minutes time as 5 minutes.
Listen. Say you to wa ehun na you to. Say you to otwa ehun na you to bi o.
Aben you wa to.
Me anku bi na oya agbani bi. Na na you to aba, you to na atwe. Efi na you to o no onyim so yin de. You to shame o kawanu to yen shede ma yen kansa man. Ajayi oye you to. Na you to this so aka fa you to aba. Ana atuni you to them. Aka fa you to aba. Oma mami kunu du ye obi a anyu Ghana bokosem. Yeyim the formation of the NDC to the extent that name one emblem in mami claim the Neza. Oma if you pay woman some America be you. Mami look to party the American another bin panel me ne bi no one Mami ne look with it to one be what to party. Ma what to work na ya abofu bi. Me ya ka che no kuni de bodoma sabe bodoma otoa yazina to cage tell in the YouTube
family
on you remember conso family can ya politics wa ha you remember conso family Omar
5 minutes
no kasemi Omar me ka ayayewja ye ma chairman no we you see me I don't believe that school of thought that will be wa kakan wan some my edin yemen fortune chan na kakan kan tribute for I wonder I'm watching the tribute the kind of tribute they write. What's how we look why am monoma said what one out to cage him. You know. A big boy you know fi na one na one sense in the answer for me ya or you look to na party over join in. Oma wo ye mamia to the extent that mamia na no could catch corner ba party mu. Mo party e wi yim. Kono fita wa adem. Iti mamia na agro bejire bi. Oma, it's saying that what dear mammy. Inum count, Cafeto mammy what fitso the papa. And when I'm one on Franca, if you're paying me, you know. If you're paying with them, when I'm what's mammy could don't to one to Abama. These are some of the way I'm funny crazy. Yammy, it's not your pack. No one year will be another French one. Oman, on money to me, man, come time. Oman, Oman, Nisha, I know what the me. Oman, if you're paying woman, won't to my mammy and Cassama Miss Matoma party. Okay, to NDP. Party unprostrated for anyone that are from Toffee, but one money, baby. What's a movement? Movement in Uncle, what's a UP party? You are not prostrate, Cato party, NDP. Pain there, if you're paying, we better do my family. Oh man, when the mini was so called same me in the we are Bolumba no be and I champion. If you did say Yago, say some of the Nasamco. Ah, the free no trend, you will be onion free bill. No, Jenna Yan bill. What's on the party now, big a member now yan. But on the good side, them all came. Or on the bad side, where for me meaning where I disagree with him is that 31st December women's movement.
You disagree with her?
With her, good. Is 31st December women's movement state capture of properties are on your bad. Oh, most of them was with them with that Ridge Royal. In then or in Kano, no we find restaurant catering restaurant we try to 31st December for Nsawam Canary we try to 31st December for Bonsa Thai we try to 31st December for mention them Bonsu Thai yes
no console mami
console them
yes table
and I remember to table anyway until the name of mo emba kukuduru fo menkata ma kukuduru nzama the odikan wo no you go you kukuduru fo amany besia odikan wo Ghana boko sema open do be man pay oba bin flag bearer ofi wona wo bunu ko enim wo yem wo ba ye wiem not so na party musu beja first female president to contest as president ya no ansana o ma me ko donko so ba funfam ho eh no nyame manu tena bi opa nyame under them nyame ma obewiase bono oye nyame mfa nchen papa ya nyame oye so nyame on man have aljana na nyame so that you be sharing
amen
Oma
under them
in 2001 saying those autonomous
guma me na yima say we am
that was the man
na wo so wo dina wala yen den
nti
papa
that's what
engineer Isaac Newton, regional communication team member MPP, Operating Casford, regional communication team member NDC, and as Papa Pada Utumoba boy, and now come as an home, young corporation, Papa, one about the Libya, Domo Costa TV, Common Autumn, Al Cordo, Angasa. Costa TV, General Director, Summit and Bishia, and Kaka Brazil, Honorable Zanotto. Honorable Dr. Zenator Lawrence, Mepenasa Papa, in terms of a corner or any coincidence or young men on, and changing him there, I am seeing him Bishop of Far, and I would do the same. He was always on Tina or Bishop of Fee, or Abba, no Abba, no coincidence. It doesn't matter. You fought that to become a we can pray for it in the other into that way. In this one, I say, listen, holiday, parliament, and always I count her first in terms of I'm gonna work.
That's what.
Yo, Martin. Where did they share your nti ebada se ebacheche him be shebo go free na hon rio so ne da na ide wo ma wotum bobwa nsama na wote da na yakosam to ba mo je bibia that's the love of our country nti e sha hu na e ma hu yakosakosa oya go train na just speaker na the leaders of the house ne ka siri na ko oya honorable Dr. Zenator Lawrence oya ne bishop na e mo